In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Kajabi using Zapier. If you want to automatically send new Typeform responses into Kajabi, this setup is a simple and effective way to do it. It can save time, reduce manual work, and help you make sure new leads or subscribers are added to your Kajabi system as soon as they submit your form. To begin, open Zapier and start creating a new Zap. For the trigger app, choose Typeform. Then select the trigger event called New Entry. This tells Zapier to watch your Typeform account and start the automation every time someone submits a new response through the form you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct form during setup so the Zap is listening to the right source. Next, set Kajabi as the action app. Depending on what you want this automation to do, choose either Form Submission or Create Subscriber as the action event. If your goal is to send a contact into a specific Kajabi form, the form submission option may be the right fit. If you simply want to add that person as a subscriber in Kajabi, then Create Subscriber may be the better choice. Select the option that matches your workflow. After that, connect your accounts for both platforms. Zapier will prompt you to sign in to Typeform and Kajabi so it can securely access the data needed to run the automation. During this part, be sure you are connecting the correct accounts, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or projects. Once both connections are confirmed, you can move on to the field setup. Now it's time to map your Typeform form fields directly to the Kajabi input fields. This is the part where you match the information coming from Typeform, like email address, first name, or any other collected data, to the appropriate fields inside Kajabi. Take a moment here to review everything carefully. Accurate field mapping is important because it ensures your submissions arrive in Kajabi cleanly and in the right place. Once your fields are mapped, do a final review of the Zap settings. Make sure the trigger, action, account connections, and field selections all look correct. When everything is ready, activate the Zap. From that point on, each new Typeform entry will automatically be sent to Kajabi based on the action you selected. This is a great way to streamline your lead capture process